drama going on in Dr. Dre's already messy divorce.
Oh yeah. Now his soon-to-be ex-wife, Nicole Young, wants to subpoena three alleged mistresses of his.
Wow. A messy divorce just keeps getting messier.
Ladies-in-law, 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 ladies-in-law.
Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in.
Make sure you like our video and subscribe to the Ladies-in-Law.
Yeah, you know that little heart and thumbs up at the bottom of your screen? Click it before you do anything else.
Right, because legal news like this is too hot to miss, and we're bringing it to you every Thursday at 3 p.m. I'm Rippy.
And I'm Shake.
And we're the Ladies-in-Law,
where we're ripping and shaking up all the legal information you know, need to know, and want to know.
From the tabloids to the courthouse to your own home.
Okay, so today we are talking about Dr. Dre's already very, very messy divorce, which has only gotten more messy, of course. But a little quick sum. 1. Nicole Young has accused Dr. Dre of severe abuse. Mental, emotional, and physical. The whole gamut. Okay?
And isn't she trying to get a ton of money from him?
Oh. 2. Nicole has been requesting, and it seems as though she's been at least partly denied, $2 million per month in spousal support.
Wow.
While this divorce is pending, and of course, it seems as though she's going to want more once the divorce is done. And 3, the only thing Dr. Dre has come back and clapped back against Nicole Young's, all these claims she's making, is that she embezzled a ton of money from his companies while they were married, which is a criminal, civil, and divorce issue.
Wow. So what's going on now?
Oh, of course. So now Nicole is alleging that she needs to subpoena, in order to support her case in the divorce, 3 alleged mistresses of Dr. Dre.
Wow. Okay, so a subpoena is a legal order for someone to produce testimony either in a deposition, which happens outside of a court, usually in an attorney's office, or either testify in court on the stand. A subpoena can also be for someone to produce documents. And the purpose of a subpoena is to gather evidence for a party. So parties in a legal case have a burden of proof, and this subpoena and other evidence helps them meet that burden.
Yep.
So, Amina, who are these 3 mistresses, so-called mistresses, and how do they feel about all of this?
Okay, so they are alleged mistresses. There's no proof as of now, legally, that they were his mistresses. And their names are 1, Jillian Spears, who is a singer. 2, Keely Anderson, and she is what you call the model, quote, turned skin entrepreneur.
So on Instagram?
Oh, on Instagram. And you could be that, Jasmine, about skin, personally. And 3, the 3rd alleged mistress is Crystal Rogers, better known as Crystal Sierra, and she is a musician. Now, they're alleged mistresses, and they are not happy about this whole situation. They want no involvement in it. I don't know if it's helping them get more Instagram followers or not, but I'm sure this doesn't make them feel good that they're being dragged through the mud like this, which I'm sure is a huge reason why Nicole Young is even doing it at all. So we would advise these 3 ladies, just like their attorney is doing, that they don't need to be involved. They shouldn't be involved. Their testimony or evidence is inadmissible in this type of case.
Right. Yeah, in this case, if the women don't show up to testify, it really has no bearing. But in other cases, subpoenas are very important. The testimony is very important to prove a case. For example, in a domestic violence case, the victim, alleged victim, or what we call complaining witness, will be subpoenaed to come to court and give testimony about their side of the story. If they don't show up, the prosecutor has no witness, no testimony, and the case gets thrown out. Not complying with the subpoena is against the law.
It is.
Sometimes prosecutors, I've seen adjourned out a case to try to send the sheriffs out to bring a person in.
Knock, knock, knock.
In this case, the lawyer for the three women filed a motion objecting to the subpoena instead of just telling his clients to ignore it, which is the responsible thing to do.
It is the responsible thing. And all in all, this is just one little additional messy part of this very messy divorce. I mean, and their attorney is doing the right thing, like you said, Jasmine. It's what we would do. And we would advise our clients, and I think we both believe that in this case, the court is not going to allow those subpoenas to go through. They're going to deny these women producing evidence or testimony because it's not relevant.
No.
It's a fishing expedition at this point.
I really think it's a tactic to try to hurt his credibility.
Yeah, of course.
And make the judge like,
oh, nice stanky. But we'll see what happens with the judge, So thanks for watching. And make sure you like and subscribe so that you get all of the hottest legal news every week from the Ladies in Law.
That's another episode of Ladies in Law, not your average lawyers.
Rip it up, shake it